Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to on. Today I'm going to show you how to make another awesome great cookie recipe. This also in collaboration. I am collaborating with my good friend Bre over at RecipesTested. We're going to do a cookie swap. She's going to test out my orange creamsicle cookies I made on my channel a while back. And I'm going to make her banana chocolate chip cookies. And y'all go check out Bre. She has an amazing channel and she makes good food. And she be testing other recipes. I'll post a link to her channel and to the orange creamsicle cookie recipe down below in the description box. If y'all are fans of banana and chocolate, OMG, these cookies are to die for. These are the bomb.com. They're going to be so chewy, delicious, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And these cookies would be great to make with your kids and great for Christmas parties. And these would be Santa Claus' new favorite cookie when he come over on Christmas Eve. So grab your banana and your chocolate chip sugar because we're about to bake some banana chocolate chip cookie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 cup of mashed bananas. And we're going to add in 1 cup of pat light brown sugar and 1/4 of a cup of white sugar. 3/4 of a cup of melted unsalted butter that I let cool. 1 teaspoon of banana extract. 1 teaspoon of cocoa extract. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to blend this until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friend, next we're going to add in 2 3/4 of a cup of self-rising flour and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch that I sifted. Blend this in real slowly until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, this is what our cookie dough look like. Nice and sticky. Alright, that looks great. So next for the final ingredient, we're going to fold in 1 1/2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Fold this in real gently. Smells good. You can smell the banana and the extracts. Alright my friends, I'm through folding in the chocolate chips. So now we're ready to assemble the cookies. We're going to put our cookies on the 9x13-inch long cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper. And using my spoon, we're going to scoop them about 2 tablespoons full. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting my cookies on and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I got all my cookies together. Now we're ready to bake them. We're going to bake it in the preheated 350-degree oven and we're going to let it bake for about 12 to 14 minutes. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. My friends, look at my beautiful banana chocolate chip cookies. I have just taken them out of the oven. Smells heavenly up in this kitchen. And they're nice and golden brown. Ain't nothing like the smell of freshly baked cookies straight out of the oven. And the beauty about this recipe, there's no egg required. Alright, so now I'm going to let the cookies cool completely. And there you have it, my friends. Banana chocolate chip cookies. Now put them on my Christmas platter. They look magically delicious. Alright, I'm about to fix them up a plate and I give them a taste. Alright, Miss Bre, I'm about to give these delicious cookies a try. And I'm serving them with a glass of milk. Here we go. Look at that. My friends, these are so delightful. Look how nice and chewy these are. Has a nice texture to it. Bursting with banana and chocolate goodness. Great balance of flavors. It just melts in your mouth. These cookies will also make great gifts to give to your family and friends for the holidays. This deserves another bite. Everyone would go crazy over these cookies. Chocolate banana cookie-licious. Wow, Bre. I had a wonderful time doing this great cookie swap collaboration with you, and I can't wait to check out those delicious, mouth-watering orange creamsicle cookies. And again, I'll post link to her channel and to her recipe down below in the description box. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.